Hey guys, it's me Rishabh here again. Today I will show you my quarantine adda, my home, my room, my hostel for the last 2 to 3 months and how I've set up it completely for my work from hostel purpose. So come on in with me. This is my desktop table where I work on regularly on small things wherever whatever task I had to do. And this is how I just set it up. And this is my channel. Yeah. Anyway, let's not talk about the channel right now. So that's it. This is my desktop. So these are the tennis racket which I got from one of my senior. So it's not exactly mine. I have to return it to the person if he comes. I don't know. Right now no one is coming here in the hostel. But still it gives a good look. I haven't used it still. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Next I will show you my bed where I sleep throughout the day. So here it is. I sleep here from around 10, 12, 13, 14. Right now I have stopped even keeping a track of it. So have a look on my bed. So this is a view from my balcony. I hope you like it. Or it's not balcony actually, it's a single window type of thing, but still it's pretty large. So I can get a clear view of everything and it's morning time, so that's very pretty. So I think you will like it too. So you have seen my watch and it's exactly 8:30 in the morning. So do give us credit for waking up at this morning and good morning to all. So these are some of my notes and the random myths which I have created in the last 2 to 3 months. And right now I don't have the courage to check what all lies there in this stack. So it's right now here lying like this only. And I kind of love it even though I don't know what these notes are. These are my notes and I'm not going to throw them away anytime near soon. So let's keep my notes away for a while. By the way, I'm not a JE person anymore. This is not my notes. Actually, one of my friend asked me for this question, so I just solved this. I'm not a JE person. The extra bed which I have put it on stand because just now I'm the only one living here, so I don't want to create an act to this bed to hijack all my places here. And these are the two tables that I have attached. So that's the thing. If this was table on this bed was on there, so I wouldn't have got the space for this. So that's why I'm putting it here. So these are my 1, 2 and 3 lifelines of the day that keeps me awake for just 3 hours. Yeah, I need every bottle of water for 1 hour and I'm all good. These are my favorite drinks and my lifeline for the day. And this is a biscuit bag and actually I don't eat biscuits. But right now there are dogs all around. We have 2 to 3 dogs all around the campus, and there is no one to feed them. So yeah, every now and then I give this Parle-G biscuit. So that's how it is. So we have come to the end of this video. We have shown you whatever there was in my room. Mostly I have shown you everything. And right now it's again 9 am. And I am feeling very hungry right now, so I will go for my breakfast. So I'm going. Bye bye. I will see you later on. Yeah, but last and not the least, please wear your mask. everywhere, all around. So I will wear it. I am going for the breakfast right now. So see you in the next one.